GB and Shay, God has made sure that you meet each other, that you will fall in love with each other, and that you would continue to be in love for one another.
Isn't it just like heaven?
Hi, good evening. Nakita ko nag-post si Mavis ng cookies. Ikaw daw yung nagbebenta. Pero ang totoo, hindi ko naman talaga nakita yung post.
Yeah.
Pero yun, nag-reply ka. So effective yung yung tanong
Dahil sa
ko.
cookies.
Yeah. At doon nagsimula ang love story natin.
Come a little closer, stay a little longer. I can't get enough of you. Come a little closer, stay a little longer. I can't get enough of you.
Huwag mo awayin si Papa, okay? Para lagi lang kayong masaya kasi wala ako sa bahay. Ulo! Ayak! I am now your number one supporter. As always, today, I vow to love you, not just with words, but always with my actions.
And my true identity, doesn't it sound like
Hindi ka lang maganda sa panlabas, kundi napakabuti rin ng inyo. Your kindness, faith, and love inspire me every single day.
I can't get enough of you? Come a little closer, stay a little longer.
Hello, love. Hirap ako isipin ibibigay sa'yo. Kaya nagtanong ako ng gusto mo. Always remember, I got your back and we have time to enjoy the future together. I love you.
Holy, you are holy. You're such a perfect Father. I worship you forever. Holy, you are holy. I lay down any treasure for us to be together. Holy, you are holy. You're such a perfect Father. I worship you forever. Holy, you are holy. I lay down any treasure for us to be together. Come a little closer, stay a little longer.
Hi love, sana magustuhan mo ang gift ko. I choose it because I know it will be useful once our baby arrives. And syempre dahil hilig mo talagang mag-picture, kahit hindi mo naman pinupost, enjoy our special day today. Every moment with you is a blessing. I love you too, indeed. I vow to love you each day, every day, and forever.
To love you with the same unconditional love that Christ has shown us. To honor you, serve you, and lift you up in every season of our life.
I just want more of you.
In joy and in triumphs.
I just want more of you. I just want more of you. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough.
You are my greatest blessing, my most precious gift, and promise to cherish you for the rest of my life. When we stumble, I will kneel beside you in prayer, knowing that our strength comes not from ourselves, but from the one who brought us together. I love you so much, and I always will from this day forward until forever.
I can't get enough